seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my.
I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Paint and Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's up, guys? It's your boy LSCR254, man. Tune in for another one. So initially I was not going to make a video on this. I'm basically just changing out the spark plugs on the C-10, fresh new set, TR55s. But I came across something that I felt would be a learning point, or a learning opportunity, or whatever you want to call it. So I figured, why not take this opportunity to do just that. So I'm actually trying to find something right quick. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. I might have to go to the junkyard. Anyway, all right, so this is what I want to show y'all that I discovered as I was changing out the spark plugs in the C-10. So pretty much I'm going through, got this side done, all new, buttoned up. I was going through this side, and I said to myself, self, let's go ahead and change these wires out as well. You know what I'm saying? Cortez dropped a set of wires on me, stock joints. You know, why not just switch them over? You know, no harm, no foul. And then, to my surprise, I find this. Let me see if I can get y'all in there so y'all can see. It's gonna be probably hard to see, but right there, if you can see, I'm gonna try to zoom in post. You can see that is chipped away and it's missing a part of the spark ignition coil. So is that causing an issue? I don't know. However, it is something to become aware of, and because we are super duper resourceful, we're just gonna get another one from the junkyard. But that's why it's important to you know, I guess just pay very close attention when you doing even the simple things maintenance wise. That way you can catch things like that and then take care of them. So we're gonna find out if it actually caused the issue, but eventually, now that it has been brought to my attention, I will be changing out this coil pack right here, getting it from my local junkyard. It's a square one. I have a lot of circle ones. Yeah, I have a lot of the circle style ones, but I have no square ones. So I'm going to have to wait until I go to the junkyard and find me some square ones. If not, I'm gonna just have to buy one new from my local O'Reilly's. So let me finish this up and then we're gonna crank it. And y'all will be here for the first crank. That was all this video was gonna be, was first crank. But I ran across that and thought I'd share it with you. Alright, so pretty much got all of them on. The only one that actually touches is this front one. Like, it just rests on that front exhaust thing, and it's, I don't know that it's causing an issue. I mean, it is rubber, it's not the actual thing, but pretty sure it's heating that shit up. So what I'm gonna try to do is run some kind of zip tie contraption to where it won't be sitting on there. I mean, I know they sell like a whole different set of plugs and shit, but you know me, I try to do shit as cheap as possible. So I'm gonna try to do, you know, like, I guess have it like loop off of here. This, yeah. Have this loop off of here. I'll probably do like a second zip tie, like actually around like this, to try to get it up off of there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Bring my vision to life. All right, so now I can cut you back on and I can show you exactly what I did. So technically, hopefully that doesn't like cause an issue. But basically what I did is, see, it's pulling up on there so that the actual, let me get y'all down off in here, down into the jungle deep. Yeah, see, like now it's not actually touching on here, you know what I'm saying? But now it is kind of held up by that joint. Maybe it should go around the metal part, and maybe not that part. I don't know. I think it'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? If not, then maybe we'll just go ahead and buy them other wires. But for a zip tie fix, I think it'll work. Only thing is, you know, the heat and all that shit, but it still might be straight. So now for the final moment we've been waiting on, with all new plugs put in, torque down, you know what I'm saying, anti-seize, all that stuff used and applied. It is time for the first start new plug. There it go. I was like, where's the cap? I got that shit bad, losing the cap to shit. So yeah, let me find some keys and let's do this. What's going on, y'all? This is your boy LSRY254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. LSRY254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you, I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support, you know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so those are like the old wires. That was, like I said, I went ahead and swapped them all out just to kind of make sure. I didn't have any touching issues on this side. It's just that other side. So let's get into it. Let's see what happened. See how it's gonna crank over. Is it gonna crank over any better? Is it still gonna spit and sputter? Oh yeah, that was another thing. I'm gonna have to, one of these pink wires here were like left exposed, so I'm pretty sure it powered something that was important, right? Yeah, so it was just out and exposed and not hooked to anything. It was going up in there, but I guess it didn't have connection to it. I don't fucking know. This harness is, man. Because what I don't know, what I don't know why they didn't do, because see, this has like double the fuses of the ones I use. I ran all mine up into there with just with 4 fuses. You know what I'm saying? And my shit worked. However, on this one, being as you have 2 of them, like, it does allow you to put things on different circuits. However, the things that they were joining together, these pink wires, they should have joined them like further back, made them into 1 wire, and then had like just 2 wires running up to the fuse block, versus, you know what I'm saying, trying to stuff 4, 5, 6 ass wires up in here to there. And that's why you run into that issue. So eventually I'm gonna have to go back and probably do this shit. I've had to redo quite a bit of stuff with this harness, but in the end, I mean, it worked. The computer was flash. So it is what it is. So let's see if that's gonna make a difference. Oh, she crunk right the fuck up. I think she likes her new plugs. And that was a cold start. That was a damn cold start. She was like, yes, new plugs, bitches. I'm alive. She don't seem to be running as rough as she was before. Like, she's like, thank you, God, nigga. Thank you for the new plugs. Evil laugh. Evil laugh. So yeah, it won't be today. It ain't doing all that popping and spitting that it was doing before. I mean, she's saying a whole lot better. Whole lot better. Whole lot better. Yeah, before she was sick. You know what I'm saying? Now she in there. In there. Like I said, none of that popping and spitting and pop locking and dropping and shit. She good to go. So the next video for sure, we gonna see if we can do a burnout. 2020 burnouts. Hashtag 2020 burnouts. Nah. If you watch this video to the end, put hashtag burn rubber. Nah. Just put hashtag 2020 burnout. We gonna keep it simple. Hashtag 2020 burnout, and we gonna go from there. So, but yeah, man, she sound. Yes. Like even on that, you know, acceleration, like the sound, it feels like just so much more responsive. So if you watch this video to the end, 2020 burnout, hashtag 2020 burnout, or hashtag, fuck it, just put hashtag burnout. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag burnout if you watch this to the end. And next time you see the C-10, we're gonna attempt to do a burnout and hope that our rear end don't like lock up or some shit. So it's your boy LS75254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.